Thanks everybody for checking back in. This is Greg from Go-AUTOWORks. Again, it's been a while since I posted a video. We've just been so busy in the shop. I really haven't had time to sit, stop, and do a video. So I'm trying to get back to it with some install how-tos, some product overviews, and some new stuff we have coming for the Honda applications and other applications as well. So again, be sure to click subscribe, follow the channel to keep up with that kind of stuff. Right now, I just want to go over, I just finished building a catch can for the EK, the 96 to 2000 Civic. We get a lot of questions about how does it mount or how does it look when it's inside the bay. So I figured before I box this thing up, let me go ahead and shoot a video and show you how it's done, because it's really simple. So let me go and grab it. I'll come back, show you a close-up of the piece, show you the benefits of the piece, and then I'll show you it mounted in the car behind me. It's not for this car. This one's getting a custom can, but it is for this chassis. So I'll show you how it sits in the chassis and where it bolts up to and where it drains at. Okay, this is our EK specific catch can. I've done a few revisions to it, so I'll update that on the website. It's single filter, 2 ports with a drain. The filter is baffled, and if you can see, you probably can't see in there, the interior is also baffled to make sure that the filter stays clean. Oil goes to the bottom of the can. Once it mounts, this drain bung is over the factory hole in the frame rail, so it can be drained while it's mounted in the car for simplicity. You don't have to take it back out. The mount tab lines up with a factory bung or bolt hole in the frame rail. It's a ground, so you can just take that ground out. You'll drill the hole in it, put the bolt back in with the ground, bolt it back down, secure it, and it will sit just like that on the frame rail. Every catch can comes with its own filter, so I'll grab one of those, show you it, set it in the bay, and we'll go from there. Another reason we haven't done a video, it is blazing hot in here, and I can't turn the fans on because then you won't hear me. So you sit, do a video, you start pouring sweat. But anyway, let me get over to the car. Now you can see the area over here on the frame rail. That's where it's going to go. I've already pulled the upper charge pipe off this car so you can see exactly what it is. You move the wire. Most cars already have that tucked, the loom for the factory headlight. And right there on the side of the frame rail, you'll see the factory mount bolt hole on the frame rail. We've got the relays for the fans connected right there and the factory ground. But you use that same spot to bolt down the catch can.
Ovation, 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 ovation.
I love it, 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 I love it,
Okay, and that's about it for the catch can setup. EK, it's pretty simple, bolts in, it's got the drain. You can convert this drain to a drain back or a remote drain. This is 1/2 inch NPT, so to make it remote to where if you want to be able to drain it without actually getting under the car or behind the bumper, you can put a 1/2 inch to 5/8 or 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch barb in here and remote mount a hose or do whatever you want to do. So it's pretty simple to tailor it to your own setup. We've also got the level 7 valve cover vented oil caps in stock. So say you didn't want to vent your valve cover by welding it, we do have the caps in stock in black and raw finish to make your vented valve cover fairly simple without any welding. You just connect your two lines from the vented oil cap and run them over to the catch can, and you got it done easily. Along with the rear motor plugs to run those to the catch can. So we've got everything you need to properly vent your motor and use a catch can on your Honda application here in stock all of the time. Again, it is hot as I don't know what out here. So I'm going to wrap this up, make it short. I appreciate y'all checking it out. We've got some more videos on the way. I've got the Del Sol behind me that's going to be a full build using one of our kits, one of the motors we did about a year and a half ago. It's a B20 VTEC setup. Doing some more work on the Civic next to me. Got a GTE SC300 build here to do. Of course, the S2000's coming together, and the Boss 302 Mustang build coming together. So stay tuned for those. Also, our Go-AUTOWORks AC compatible B series supercharger kits are finally here. We're wrapping up some of the pre-orders to get those out. I will do an in-depth video on those for all of the people wanting to supercharge their car to have that power band, that ease of maintenance. We got that in a high boost and low boost application. Bolt-on AC power steering compatible, intercooled. It uses a ProCharger head unit. It's going to be the best of the best supercharger kits available for the B series. It'll work on the 94 to 01 Integra, the 99 2000 Civic Si, and should do the, well, actually 96 to 2000 as long as it's B series. We won't be doing a D series setup, but for the B series guys, it's got you covered. 400 plus horsepower out of a supercharger without losing anything. So stay tuned for that as well. So again, be sure to check and follow the page, and I appreciate y'all checking it out. Thank you.
Ovation, ovation, ovation,
I love it.
ovation, ovation.